Marketing challenges. Think of innovative ways to succeed. Challenges faced in advertising. 1. Massive population, no precise target group. More option for consumers, less option for advertiser. Harder to get attention from consumers. Message fragmentized, impossible to create recall. Challenges and failures are common in business. But you don't have to follow everyone else and do what they do. Digital advertising is the fastest growing medium, and lift media is the greatest form of digitalization. What makes billion media lift advertising different?
Let us get into a detailed understanding of billion media's USPs. 1. Mainstream population. Lift is a common entry and exit medium in commercial and residential properties. Hence, billion media provides a platform which can easily help advertisers captivate their target audience.
2. Enforceability. The lift waiting time is too less to do anything else apart from wait, so people are compelled to watch the lift ads. Moreover, you need to be attentive to get into the lift, else you will miss it.
3. Less distraction. Lift lobby is a place where mobile networks loses signals, and due to privacy matter, we don't want to check our phones beside strangers. Billion media platforms are installed in the lift area, hence the viewers watch ad without getting distracted.
4. High frequency. On an average, the daily circulation of lift media ad is 360 times and the monthly visibility rate is approximately 180 times. These repetitive factors create an everlasting imprint in the memory of the viewers. Lift media helps in spreading information swiftly and interactively.
Run your advertisement at the most elite properties and buildings all over India.
Our resources are installed in renowned residential as well as commercial buildings. Billion Media has made its presence in all the major metropolitan cities in India. And we will continue expanding our reach to many more cities. Advertise on Billion Media Lift platform and generate leads instantly. For any queries and information, contact us at 1800 270 2299